Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the first unit on Engineering Mathematics 2. The first unit is ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree. So let's start some basic concept of differential equation, and then we will see some type of differential equation, order and degree of differential equation. Then we will see exact differential equation, its solution, linear differential equation and its solution, and finally we will see some Bernoulli's differential equation. So let's start the definition of differential equation: an equation containing differential coefficient. Differential coefficient means derivatives of one or more independent variable with respect to one or more independent variables. Then we say that it is differential equation. So here first try to understand any equation which contains the all derivatives like dy by dx, d square y by dx square plus d cube y by dx cube and so on. If there is a one or more independent variables with respect to one or more independent variables, then we say that it is differential equation. Now let's see the example number 1. dy by dx plus 5y equal to sin x. Now you can observe here the derivative is dy by dx. Here one dependent variable and one independent variable is there. So this is called differential equation. Now in second example, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus 5y is equal to log of x. Now here derivative is d square y by dx square and dy by dx. Here also there is a one dependent, one independent variable. So this is also called as a differential equation. Now here x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is equal to 3u. U depends on x, u depends on y. Means one dependent variable with respect to two independent variables. Means this is also one kinds of differential equation. Now differential equations are divided into two parts. One is ordinary differential equation and second one is partial differential equation. In ordinary differential equation, any equation which containing differential coefficient of one dependent with respect to one independent variable, then we say that it is ordinary differential equation. Let's see here one example. dy by dx plus 6y equal to 3. Here the derivative dy by dx, here is a one dependent, one independent variable. So this is called as a ordinary differential equation. Similarly, if we consider the second example, d cube y by dx cube plus 6y equal to sin x. Here the derivative is d cube y by dx cube. Now if you observe here, y depends only one independent variable, that is x. Means this is ordinary differential equation. Now come to the second type of differential equation, partial differential equation. Any equation which containing differential coefficient of one dependent with respect to one or more independent variables, then we say that it is partial differential equation. If we consider the example thus, x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y equal to 6y. U depends on x, u depends on y. Means u depends on both the independent variables. Means this is partial differential equation. Here second example, del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square is equal to 4. Again you can observe here u depends on x and y. Means there is a one dependent variable and two independent variables. Means this is a partial differential equation. So these are the two types of differential equation. One is ordinary differential equation and second one is partial differential equation. Now come to the next, order and degree of differential equation. So order of differential equation means the order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative. So if there is a order which is highest derivative appearing in the differential equation, then we say that it is order of differential equation. Degree of differential equation is nothing but the degree of the highest derivative appearing in the differential equation when it is free from radicals and fraction. Radicals means square root, cube root. you have to eliminate that cube root, square root from the differential equation. Then and only you will get the degree of differential equation. So let's see the some examples so that you will get the idea about the order of differential equation and degree of differential equation. So first is dy by dx plus phi y is equal to 0. Correct. Now try to find out the highest derivative in the differential equation. So in this equation, dy by dx is the highest derivative appearing in this differential equation. So now find out the order and degree. Now if we observe here, how many times the derivative is here? Only one times we have taken the derivative. Correct. So order is 1. Order is 1. Now if we see the power of this highest order of differential equation, which is 1, so means degree is 1. So order of degree of this differential equation is 1 and 1. Similarly, let's take one more example. D square y by dx square plus 2 times dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now obviously this is a differential equation, correct, because there is a derivative in this differential equation. Now first try to find out the highest derivative. So highest derivative is this d square y by dx square. Now how many times here differentiated? 2 times, means order is 2. Order is 2. Now check the power of this highest derivative. So power is 1 here. Power is 1 here. So degree is 1. Degree is 1 here. Now similarly, if we consider the one more example, d cube y by dx cube plus x square into dy by dx bracket square plus phi y equal to e raised to 2x. Now obviously this is a differential equation. Now first try to find out the highest derivative. So highest derivative is d cube y by dx cube. Now what is the order here? Order is 3, because this differential equation contains the highest derivative of order, which is 3 here. Now if we see the power is 1 here, means degree is 1 here. Now if there is a equation like this, if I consider the power is 3, okay, in this case the degree will be 3. Degree is 3 here. Okay. Now consider the one more example. D square y by dx square equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket square. Now if there is a radical sign means if there is a square root, cube root like this, then you have to remove that part. How will you remove? By squaring, by taking the cube. So you will get the some equation, differential equation, standard form. So here squaring on both sides, so you will get d square y by dx square bracket square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole bracket square. Now here the highest derivative is d square y by dx square, correct. Now order is 2 and power is 2. Power means degree. So order is 2 and degree is also 2. Now come to this example number 5. D square y by dx square plus x into 1 upon dy by dx equal to 1. So there is a term dy by dx in the denominator. So if there is a derivative in the denominator, so you have to remove all that part. So how will you remove that part? By multiplying that term to entire equation. So multiply dy by dx to this equation, so you will get dy by dx into d square y by dx square plus x into 1 equal to dy by dx. So this is nothing but, so this we can write. So how will you write this? You can write the general form of this. The general form of this equation is dy by dx into d square y by dx square plus x minus dy by dx equal to 0. Right? Now, which is the highest derivative here? D square y by dx square, which is the highest derivative appearing in this differential equation. Now, order of this differential equation is, order is 2 here, because the order is 2 of this highest derivative appearing in this differential equation. That's why order is 2 here. Now, if we see the power of this highest derivative